Hey, what's up, Shiba coin holder and Dogecoin holder? What's going on? This time, the Shiba and Dogecoin absolutely gone very fastly, my friend, in the crypto market. These two coins is completely and the trending, my friend, and gonna be viral, especially from UK, USA. This time, you can see the Shiba Inu absolutely update is also available on the screen. You can see the 5/12/2021 update is on the screen. 5/12/2021 updates of Dogecoin is also available on the screen. So, my brother, let's see, my brothers, to which one is the bet. But kindly, before I get start this video, I have one request: to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. This time the Shiba Inu, if you could see, my friend, the current price is 0.002924, and the current price of Dogecoin, as if you could see here, 0.509691 USD dollar. So it's mean to it's a good, my friend. You can see here the Dogecoin is gonna be very good. But if you can see, my friend, this time the price will decrease, but the Shiba Inu price is gonna be increased now. So it's mean, my friend, to this time Shiba is on the trend, my friend, is gonna be very fastly moving upward, and Dogecoin is fails down. So let's see, my friends, max total supply of a Shiba Inu. If you can see, my friend, 1 billion, my friend, I think 1 trillion, it's gonna be 1 billion, yeah. So 10 billion, my brother, and max total supply unlimited. You can see here this time, oh my goodness, this time you can see here holders. If you can see, my brother, the holders of Shiba Inu, as this time you can see here 3 lakh, my friend, and 29,000 is the holders of, my friends, of Shiba Inu, my friend. And if you can see this time the holders of Dogecoin, so it's absolutely, my friends, going to be very high, 35 lakh, my friend. Oh my goodness, it's gonna absolutely going to be very high, my brother. All right, so if you can see, my brother, this time the November 28 2022, you can see here 5 months up percentage. So it's unbelievable, my friends. To 49 4 billion, my friends, I think percent, my friends, they moving upward. So 49 lakh, my friends, they moving upward. And if you can see this time they fails down, you can see especially this time they're gonna be negative. May 6 2025 absolutely available on the chart. So it's means Dogecoin Shiba is completely and gonna be very good, and absolutely gonna be very good. And West, you can see here 200 USD dollar, my friend. You can see here, and West at this time. So 6 total, if you can see, my brother, 6,000 6 lakh. You can see here 68 lakh, my friend, and 39,000 and 945 USD dollar, my friend. This time you can see here the total. Now the total investing, my friend, you can see here, and invest of, you can see, my friend, this time the Dogecoin, my friend, as absolutely, my friend, 400. Oh my goodness, exactly. It's absolutely the investing is going to be very high, but the current condition is going to be very bad of a Dogecoin. So if you can see, my friend, the Shiba reach 1 cent. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely, my friend, it's going to be very important. Dogecoin reached $1. Oh my god, $1. Absolutely, you can see this time the 68.199.00 USD dollar. But here, if you can see, my friend, 200, just in only 200. So it's mean to Shiba is completely better from a Dogecoin, my friend. This time the profit of Shiba is going to be very good if they're moving like that. So exactly, my friends, Shiba is priority, my friends, from Dogecoin. Exactly, my advice is for you, my friends, to please invest in a Dogecoin, and a Shiba coin, because, my friends, you can see Shiba is completely going to be very good. And this time you can see the current condition is also good, my friend, and it's priority from Dogecoin, my friends. So it's mean, my friends, to upcoming time there is more chances, my friends, they will moving upward, because the max supply, everything is going to be very good, my friend. So kindly, you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friends, Shiba will give you very good profit. Absolutely, you research personally from this both coins, but kindly, I share my opinion, my brother, to invest in Shiba. Absolutely, this will be gonna good. And remember, this is not an advising video. I just advise you, my brother. This is not a financial video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.